Hakajing persang ke Sorkar jela banwat kilat kilanti ban kentiu ya ka pulih putih hak jela umentri bari khmi ya ka tanat pulih putih Rakkam sangma ula pentep baka Sorkar shan kan sapha sithi shaki Skul khamtam gi bayo kyrshan na ka Sorkar jela ban pan Jingshai Halor ka Jingrem ya ka bai Skul haba pentep ya ka dia kilat pathai khubor ha ka no phai sngi jok nyau trek ya yong arja arpusan Rakkam sangma ula ong bagi khna pulih khamtam gi bawan na gi thain nong kendong bat gi bawan na gi long yeng gi baduna ka yo ka kon ki do kalat ban puli namar ka Jingrem palat jong ka bai Skul bat kumta ula kentui kini ki Skul khamtam ki bla yo kyrshan na ka Sorkar baki dei ban perkhat lem yakini ki khna.
In our state, there are many schools who are being supported by the government. Sometimes I feel like I would request them to consider the students those who belong from the poor background. They are brilliant students from the rural, from the poor primary background, and they want to take admission in that primary institution, but because of fee structure, they're not able to do. So therefore, for those who are supported by the government, we will write to them. We will issue them a notice that their justification, why they are charging fees of so high. So therefore, yes, we will definitely we will ask them why the justification of the reason why they are charging fees so high. So but as a minister today, it's my pleasure to request all the institutions across the state to kindly consider the students from all sections, especially those who are being support provided by the state government. We will write to them immediately to see the fee structure of all the schools, especially for those supported by the government.
Habatin, pej bahagi kishap plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki batay kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau kau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pej ya kishap plus F haka jingsom. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka iron la icon diat bat ka bathau bha kam khta ka dur jingki marbam ka jing mat lani ka rukom shed yaki balehi banai kita kadon ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan ka kot ka khia ka nutrition ba khambha ka jing im ba khambha pendon kam daki marbam madon ka sharp plus F menta kasni
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya